Okay, don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna show you guys this burrito. I got a tasty burrito. I got it from this the Yellow House. They don't call it. I think it's called Chapalas Taqueria. So anyhow, this is the burrito. I've been going to this place for 21 years, eating burritos from this place. They call it the Yellow House. Anybody from Stockton knows? Hey, you go to Yellow House? It's not really a house. It's a restaurant, but it looks like a house. This bad boy right here is asada. I usually get the Colorado burrito. I don't know how to pronounce it. I can't roll my R's right now. But either one's good. This is a asada burrito today. So I'm going to eat this up. I just finished my Eskrima class. And sometimes when the people tell you Eskrima, you got to listen or just get hit in the head. Anyway, going to eat this tasty treat. And then I'll enjoy it. Bye.